Dude, where's my sled?
Fuck! The Yama dog, no more.
Back up the Yama dog. How in the fuck did that start on fire?
Oh my god, dude, look, the whole fucking front end's falling off.
Wow. Well, there ain't no fucking repairing that fucker when we get home. Wow.
The death of the Yama dog.
Oh my god.
Ah!